Understanding Backup Drive. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, backup drive. This term is widely used in the context of technology and data storage. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and learn all about it. A backup is essentially a copy of data from your computer or mobile device that's stored in a separate location. This could be a physical location, like a different device, or a virtual one, like the cloud. The idea is that if your main device fails, gets lost, or is damaged, you won't lose all your important information. The word drive in this context refers to a storage device. This could be an internal hard drive, an external hard drive, a USB thumb drive, or even a solid-state drive. Each of these can serve as a destination for your backup. Using a backup drive is a critical step in data management. It protects your files against hardware malfunctions, accidental deletions, or cyber attacks. It's like having an insurance policy for your digital life. By keeping a backup, you ensure that you can always retrieve your data when needed. To use a backup drive, you'll need to select the files you want to copy and the type of backup you want to perform. There are different methods, such as a full backup, incremental backup, or differential backup. The process can be done manually or set up to happen automatically at regular intervals. We hope this explanation clears up what a backup drive is and why it's so important in safeguarding your digital information. Remember, the key to avoiding data loss is to regularly back up your data to a reliable drive. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks.